Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kitikon Jamondusit from Mahidol University, Thailand. We are the national coordinator of the UI GreenMetric. So I would like to present our activity report 2022 of Mahidol University. During the year of 2021 and 2022, Mahidol University participate to the 6th Annual Conference of Sustainable University Network of Thailand at Kasetsart University, Nakhon Pathom Province. Actually, for Thai higher education, we have a network called Sustainable University Network of Thailand or Sun Thailand. This kind of network, we aims to encourage higher education of Thailand to set up a goal for sustainability future and to share and learning sustainability activities among Thai university. During the years of 2022, Sun Thailand, we have a meeting. Mahidol University, we join to the meeting of the Sun Thailand and join to the activities of other university in the Sun Thailand network. In order to encourage our staff and students to taking care for the global environment, we have an activity during the World Environment Day. This slide shows that we encourage our staff, our students, and community to join for our activity. Also, we encourage our students to have an idea for innovation for sustainability. We set up activities we call innovation for campus sustainability, asking for the student to share and to demonstrate their idea in order to innovate something that can reach to the sustainability of our campus. Also, we have a short course for our students in order to learn the sustainability and also the meaning of sustainability, sustainable development goals. This short course, the student can attend on site and also can attend online. Not only students, we're trying to implement to our staff and our colleagues. We have a training workshop for our staff and our colleagues to understand deep more on sustainability and sustainable development goals. Also, we're trying to have a net connection with abroad university. During the year of 2022, Mahidol University is a host for the 3rd National Workshop of UI GreenMetric for University in Thailand. This workshop, we invite all the experts from UI GreenMetric to share their experience to our Thai university. This slide shows the activities that Mahidol University set up for our students and staff during the year 2022. We have a Mahidol Sustainability Week. As you can see, the student can join for our activities and learn from our activities also. During the weeks of Mahidol Sustainability Week, we have a lot of activity, including SDG Talk, SDG Conference, and the exhibition. This is the conference during the Mahidol Sustainability Week that all the staff and colleagues can share their best practice among each other. Also, we trying to have an activity join with the community. This all the activity of sustainability report from Mahidol University. Thank you for your attention.